So we got a recipe that we have going on today, and I heard something about a pear.
Yeah,
Love
you
me some
did.
pears.
So I recently started putting pears and dates together in salads, and it's the most fantastic combination. So you just make a regular tossed salad, or however you call it, garden salad, with your spinach and your greens, and add your veggies, so cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers. But then to spice it up, you can add the pear and the dates, and it's the sweet and the, I don't know, it's just so delicious.
Yeah, I don't know what it is either, but it's fantastic. The pears and the dates together.
Yeah.
I think pears alone with anything are amazing.
Drew loves pears. It's his favorite.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Throw some dates in there, yeah. And then you can use whatever dressing that you use. Like we use oil and vinegar, balsamic vinegar. I like to throw in even garlic in there as well. Salt and pepper, and you're good to go.
It's delicious.
So give it a try. Get excited around salads. There's so many different combinations that you can throw in together depending on the season. Like pomegranate was one of them we used.
Yeah. And those are only available for such a short time, so when they come out, jump on the pomegranate train and
I don't
get
think
at
it's
it.
called a pomegranate.
That's how I call it. I don't know how you call it, but
On the pomegranate train.
can you say the word for me again?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
I don't think there's an N in there. Can you spell that?
P-O-M. No, I can't spell it actually. But I think a lot of times I hear people, I'm moving on from what he said. But anyway, a lot of times people say, oh, salads are so boring. How do you eat a salad every single day? Because that's one of our goals, is to eat a salad every day. But, and it's just that creativeness in trying new ingredients, trying different combinations. There's so many different ways to make salads. So if you're making one the same way every day, well, of course it's going to get a little boring.
Right. Or get that wilty bag salad.
Yeah, like get nice fresh ingredients. And I know in the winter months it's a bit more difficult to find like the nice fresh garden greens. But you can visit local farmers markets, and you know, there's lots of ways to brighten up your salads in the winter.
So give that a shot. Pears and dates. You heard it here first.
Yes.